Besties, in today's video, have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Today, I will show you how you can travel to Sweden. If this is something that you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, introduce yourself in the comments. I would like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you, and thank you for all that you do. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourselves as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, student, and entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me on YouTube. Oh, not on this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into today's business. Come with me. Let's go. So besties, studying abroad is not just about textbooks. Yes, it's about experiences. From exploring new cultures to gaining new real-world insights, you're also gonna get hands-on learning in countries that expand your mind and, of course, your future. Today, I'm gonna share with you scholarships that are happening, scholarships that you can take advantage of in Sweden. Have you heard of the Swedish Institute? Do you know that they are offering fully funded master's degree scholarships? Yes, on master's level in Sweden. SI is looking for ambitious professionals that want to make a difference in the society. These scholarships offer a unique opportunity to develop professionally, academically, and also build long-lasting relations with Sweden and other global professionals. The Swedish Institute, SI, their scholarship holders are included in the SI network for global professionals, NFGP. And guys, this is a network that aims to strengthen the skills and capacities of the scholarship holders and build long-lasting networks between Sweden and their scholarship holders. This network provides the possibility to participate in events, competence, enhancing programs, online sessions, and mentorship opportunities. And here are the list of what they offer. The network offers a leadership program online. They have sessions, they have events like kickoff and a diploma ceremony and network opportunities. SI Self-Leadership Program. Yes. Now, this program aims to support SI scholarship holders to grow and develop within leading oneself and leading other people. They provide concrete tools, they provide approaches and experiences to bring further into a future professional context. They promote the building of networks for students who share the same study areas and support long-term relationship building. The program is offered 2 to 3 times every semester. They also have their online sessions. Several times each semester, NFGP arranges online sessions on themes that are connected to career planning and career developments available for all network members. They also have events. So every year in early autumn, SI arranges a kickoff event for all new scholarship holders. The purpose is to introduce the scholarship holders to the network and to inspire the new scholarship holders to make the most of their time in Sweden. For scholarship holders that are nearing the end of their studies in Sweden, SI arranges a diploma ceremony in late spring. The diploma ceremony marks the beginning of their lifelong membership in the SI Alumni Network. So guys, take advantage of these opportunities that I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. So go ahead and explore these opportunities, explore these options that I'm sharing with you guys on this channel. And if you are new here, please by all means introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where are you watching from? If you are a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you once again. Thank you for always sharing my video out. Thank you. Don't forget to share this video out with your friends and your faces. And if you're seeing me for the very first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week. So please, if you have not introduced, make sure that you don't make the same mistake that a lot of new first-timers make on this channel, which is they watch my videos and they forget to subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel in case you have not. Like this video and do also share with your friends. In my next video, I'm going to share with you another Malta opportunity. Yes, how you can travel to Malta free of charge on scholarship basis, how you can study in Malta for free. And yes, don't even miss it for anything, guys. So yes, one quick one, if you are also interested in fully funded conferences. In my previous videos, I shared some fully funded conferences that you might have missed and you may be interested in. So you can go ahead and check them out. But first, let me tell you a backstory of how it came about. About 20 years ago, I heard about fully funded conferences. Conferences where they pay for your flights, they pay for your accommodation, they pay for your feeding, they pay for everything that you need. People go for these conferences. You hear about United Nations Conference for students and you find a lot of students from all over the world and you wonder, how did they hear about it? on this channel, I'll be sharing all of those conferences with you. So at the time, I heard about ISFIT, ISFIT, International Students Festival in Norway. But I checked recently, and I realized it's not happening until 2027. So I decided to look for other conferences that are currently on and you can travel for free. Those are the scholarships that I shared. Sorry, those are the conferences that I shared on my channel previously, and they are fully funded conference to United States, fully funded conference to Tanzania, fully funded conference to Romania, fully funded conference to Germany, fully funded conference to Australia, and fully funded conference to Canada. Yes, I shared all those videos on my channel, and if you missed them, please go check them out and apply for them. If you have any particular country in mind, you have a particular destination that you really want to go, you want me to make a video on it, or if you can't find it on my channel, ask me in the comments. I'll be more than happy to send it to you. I have a lot of scholarships that you can apply for, whether in Korea, whether in China, whether in South Africa, anywhere at all in the world, even here in the United States. I've done a lot of research for you guys, and I shared a lot of opportunities. For instance, there's a school here in the United States, in California, where I live, and they are offering free tuition to students. It's called Berea College. It is called Berea, Berea College. So I just remember this one from the top of my head. So you can check out Berea College, for example. They offer free tuition, yes, for students in exchange for working on the farm. You're going to work on the farm and your tuition is paid for. Hello, what can be better than that? So there are lots and lots of opportunities that are available, but people don't know where to look. And that's where I come in. That's why I am here to help you, to offer support to you as much as possible. And if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, my calendar is open, but you have to join my Patreon community. Yes, you can find the link in the description as well as in the comments, or you can join my channel membership. There's a join button right next to the subscribe button. You can join my channel membership, and then we can take it from there. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I have been able to convince you and not confuse you. I can actually join my channel membership and be in your dream destination before you know it. I'm there to help you. I'm here to support you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to respond to you. And if you want to see more of a particular kind of video, or if you want me to do a research tailored to a specific country of your choice or that you've always had in mind, you can feel free to ask me in the comments. I'm here rooting for you, and I'm here working hard for you guys day and night. So that is about it, besties. Yes, I need your help. Yes, I need you now. So please help me suggest a name, a beautiful name for my Patreon community, for people that join my Patreon community and my channel membership. What name should I give to my community? Help me suggest beautiful names for me in the comments. So guys, I want to say thank you once again, and don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and tell a friend, and check this video right here.